I'm sorry, Chad. I'm sorry. Like, I'm not even trying to call him as disrespectful, bro. Y'all know me, bro. I'm trying like. Oh, God.
Oh, I'm burping. Oh, I'm about to.
You about to throw up?
No. Oh shit.
Don't throw up.
I'm not.
Bro,
I'm trying not to.
Bro, we gotta throw this away. I ain't gonna cup to you.
Yo, my nigga. Oh my God.
We gotta throw that away.
What the?
I gotta brush my teeth, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, this smells like shit, bro.
I gotta brush my teeth.